Plant Gang, Miles here. Paradise in a Pot coming to you from Las Vegas, Nevada. If you're new here, welcome to my little plant channel. If you're not new here, I'm so grateful you've come back. Today, a little bit of a microscopic tour. I've had this Hoya tandemus here for a little while, and it seems like it has that flatmite problem, but then it sprouted a new leaf and came out really big, even though it's got all these little nubbies at the bottom there that start and stop and start and stop and start and stop, which is supposed to be indicative of flatmites that everyone's talking about on the internet. And I understand, I get it. There's a lot of things that can go wrong with these guys. But I take it under the microscope. Well, anyhow, let's just go take a look, and then we'll come back and talk about what we saw. Voiceover Miles here, just gonna kind of talk because as I recorded from my phone, the microscope didn't exactly capture the audio of what I was saying. So I'm going to try to best guide you through here what we're looking at. Here it looks like we're at the base of the stem and the leaf. And I understand that it's very slow moving here, but I'm just really trying to analyze each frame. Sorry about the jerkiness there. Just really trying to analyze each frame, looking for any kind of sign of a flatmite, any red little flatmite in there. And it's not exactly to really focus in when you're trying to get that tiny. So I do apologize for kind of jerking around there. Here I'm trying to look at a growth point where the flatmites are supposed to attack the most. And I'm having a little bit of trouble. Oh, I accidentally took a photo. Having a little bit of trouble getting this into focus. Give me a moment, we'll get there. We're getting there. I can see, here we go, back and forth. Okay, there, now it should focus. Come on. See, it's not really easy to use a microscope on a plant. There we go. Well, there we were. All right, come on, let's get it in focus there. I know I can do it. Gee whiz. Probably need to edit some of this out. Sorry, gang, if this gets a little too long. There we go. So as you can see there, I see little pubescent hairs. I see my phone just went off. I also see, looks like a leaf forming, but I see no red spots. I see no anything there that resembles a flatmite. Do you guys? Do you think that's eggs there in the top bit? Kind of to the right a little bit? I don't know. I don't see it. So I keep moving, and I don't see anything moving. Now there's some black spots to the far right in the upper corner there, which again, nothing was moving and nothing was mite shaped or crab shaped or looked like anything. Here we've got more pubescence on the stem, the new growth of the leaf there coming out. And again, nothing's moving. This is video, so if there's an insect moving around, stopping and staring for it, you just don't see it. I'm going to try to, I think that's a root, an adventitious root, as we would say, or maybe an aerial root. See if I can get that into focus. Now it does look like something a little black there to the far left, but again, nothing moving, so it could be a dead bug, because I do treat all my plants when they come in. And I inspect them with this, and I see little black spots, but none of that's moving, none of that's alive. I see nothing red, I see nothing moving, I see no webs, I see no mealybugs, I see no thrips. And I'm just really, I mean, those little black spots, I don't know what those are. If somebody wants to tell me what those are in the comments below, I'd sure love to hear your explanation about that. Is that just dirt that perhaps got into the pore of a plant? Is it part of the plant? I'm not sure. Here, I don't know if we're going to sit here. I think I'm really trying to analyze whether or not this could be a problem, and I just don't see it as one because it just appears nothing's moving, nothing's active, it's just sitting there. Alright, let's move on then. Alright, great. So now we're going to check a different part of the plant. And I'm looking now, I think, more into the woody areas of the plant to see if I can see, is that a mealybug? Nope, that's not a mealybug. We'll focus in on it. There we go. See, you can tell it's not. It's just a blemish or such on the plant. Again, I see nothing crawling around, nothing alive. If you guys see something that I'm not seeing, please let me know in the comments below. And again, I apologize for jerking all over the place. It's really kind of difficult to get in there. If any of you have ever used one of these. There we go. Alright, so now we're checking. I think that's the main growth point. And I see new leaves coming. I see nothing. No mites. Nothing moving. Checking another spot. Let's see. Is there something there? I don't know. Could there be? Let's see. Now we're in the dark here. What's going on? Oh, alright. Well, gang, here's kind of the other view I took of me getting in there. And as you can probably tell, it's sort of difficult to really get that microscope in there and then get it to focus so that y'all can see what's going on, because you see what I'm doing here with the bending and moving. So, gang, I don't see any problems with this Hoya, and I think I'm just going to leave it alone and watch and see if all those leaves and growth points develop. You guys tell me what you think in the comments below, and I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. Thanks, gang, for watching. Please like and subscribe.